Please welcome with warm round of applause the visionary behind the brush, Miss Joanna Marie Peña Wee.
Good afternoon, everyone. Sir, thank you for that very beautiful welcome. I am very honored to be part of this amazing event. First of all, as we close this chapter, I feel like it's been a very long time na nakilala ko kayong lahat. And I'm very glad to see the artworks that is displayed in front. I hope that every one of you had something to take home with you. Not just the experience, not just the learning, but the balance that we hope to achieve. So there is something that I want to share with you. I hope that everyone is listening because I believe that every moment is something worth cherishing. But this, I hope that you would really remember this moment. Like what I said, this event is something very meaningful. I already shared with you a glimpse of my journey as an artist. And not only did I let you know how amazing it is to be able to find art as a comfort, as a way to find your self-care way, having a self-care modality is something that is one of our goals. Now, I am very proud to see the artworks, the strokes, the ideas behind it. No matter how simple, how detailed, it is your artwork. So I hope that you would be proud of what you have achieved. You might be asking, lalo na yung mga nasa likod, sana we would be able to really be into this moment. Like what I've said, sabi nga ni Chick said behind the theory, flow theory, we are all in this moment. Let us let go muna of the things that are bothering us because Brushstrokes of Balance wants to let you know that as future criminologists of the Philippines, there will be moments that your strengths, your directions, your paths will be challenged. For as much as possible, may this event or experience remind you that there is a way to find the balance. So as long as you try to find an outlet, it is already proven. As a human being, there is an innate need for an outlet, a creative outlet. Regardless kung painting ba yan, singing, dancing, whatever it is, I hope that you find that balance. And I'm very glad that you are the first students for the Brushstrokes of Balance to be part. Kasi like what I said, my participants in this research was working adults. Meaning, they have so many responsibilities, life as a mother, father, life behind their jobs, the stress, the piling of works. So they were able to experience the balance. And I'm very glad na you are the first. That Nueva Zamboanga College students, criminologists were the first. And I'm very honored, deep in my heart. So what I really want is you cherish your artwork. Sana hindi ito yung huling artwork na gagawin niyo. Pwede naman yun eh. Criminologist/artist. You can be a person with different hats, but you will always have that direction. You will always have that path in front laid out for you as long as you find the balance. So after this moment, I hope you will be able to remember that art is never finished, but it opens a lot of possibilities. Actually, the real quote says that art is never finished, only abandoned. So ibahin natin, for us, art is never finished, it is only the beginning of so many possibilities. And I hope the brushes that you have will be able to remind you that if you feel stressed, pwede kang mag-detox from stress, and then go back to your dream. Also, allow me to have this moment to give thanks to the people who made this event possible. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty God for giving us the life, the reason to be here, the reason for us to be with each other, and for us to have the inspiration, no matter what painting did we did in front out in front of us. And of course, thank you to Nueva Zamboanga College. I am very honored and very proud. I want to shout out to the world that you are the first, and I am very glad to see the artworks in front of me. To our dean, Sir Gerald Avila, I am very thankful, sir. Again, just to share with you, when we were still discussing with Sir Brian, akala namin yung mag-a-attend mga 20 lang, 30, or sabi natin, sir, baka 10 lang. Sabi ko, sir, kahit 5 pa yan, go tayo, sir. Kasi this is a goal. Just to tell you, this is my why. Why are you doing this? Why painting as a self-care modality? Why art? Why do you have to pay? A future law enforcement, just to remind you, whatever your job is, right? Ano pang trabaho mo, you will always have to have an outlet. Hindi kailangan cellphone, hindi kailangan magyabas, mag-party, no. There is an innate calling for us. And you try to decide makakapagulong sa balance. And of course, Sir Brian Esteban, ano ba ka naman natin? I could have mentioned this wouldn't be a reality if it wasn't for him. And gusto ko din malaman ninyo kung gaano si Sir very enthusiastic sa moment na to. I had never met anyone who had the same or matched my level of excitement. Yun ang dami namin gustong ideas. Diba? It's rare to find a teacher who wants to go above and beyond para lang mabigyan sa inyo, mabigay sa inyo experience. So sana, take it to the heart. Pero kung din ka And syempre, gusto ko din pasalamatan yung mga kapatid ko na tulungan talaga. Very hands-on, my brothers, well, and yung kapatid ko hindi nakasama. So I'm very thankful. Sila ang pioneer ng aking future special JMPR studio. And syempre, pwede ko kalimutan yung pinaka-core at reason bakit meron tayong workshop. Syempre, ang ating mga students of BS Criminology, Dr. Peter Brian. Syempre, the 2B. Ano naman natin ang mga sarili 2B? Thank you so much. The amazing 3B. 3F. Ay, ko naman may maganda yan kasi kayo hindi yung 5% kasi kayo na lang yung nakikita, di ba? Ayan, magsalam ko sa iba. 3G. Saan ang 3G? 3B. Sabi ko na no? 3B, 2B, 3F, 3F. Ano mga 3F? Yes, pala makakala sa slide. So yeah, thank you so much to the students. Grabe yung enthusiasm niya din. I was actually kind of nervous kasi syempre the students are future law enforcement, di ba? So I was having this thoughts that you might not like the art experience. Pero hopefully naman, nakikita naman sa mga artworks, no? Tingin ko this would really be memory and hopefully the future law enforcement of the Philippines would be also the future artists, di ba? Palamakin naman natin mga thank you so much. Later, I'm also excited to announce ang ating mga awardees. Yung hindi makatanggap, you still should be happy kasi the artwork itself, yun na yung award nyo. Okay? Palakpakan natin yung ating mga sarili. Thank you so much.